Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show how you can make a 300 pound, 65 pound, 85 pound, 255 pound, 55 pound. This is not only work in the UK, it will work all over the world, USA, India. That's one anywhere. This site is work that you can make minimum as $100 per day to 300 to 400 dollar per day. This is the best online money making system or online money making website. So before I show you to the website and the tutorial, the method that you can actually follow to make money, just go to my YouTube channel. I want to show you guys something. So this is my channel, guys. I make my videos on money making, motivation, case studies and tutorials to build a successful online business, to sharing my own knowledge and results. So I'm not selling courses are here so that you can get some good useful information from my experience. So if you like my videos, subscribe, like and press the bell icon. If you don't, you can tell me how can I improve my videos. So the website I'm talking about is called peopleperhour.com. This website basically pay you to submit a proposal for the people that forced a work for you. So if the people are agree with your proposal, you get paid. Every single month you are allowed to free to send 15 proposals. But if you want to send more proposals, you have to buy a credit from people per hour. So basically there is over 900,000 businesses, over 2.4 million freelancers, and over 130 million is paid to freelancers. So it's not a scamming site, it's like a Fiverr, but I say it's better than a Fiverr. So for example, if you go to here and search, there's a three option: search offers, to buy, search freelancers. So you can select the freelancers. You can just post work, so people just post a work on the dashboard, or they can come directly. So that's why when you completing your profile, just fill your information and your skill level so that people can directly contact you. The third one is search project. So if you click the search project, it takes you to the page where the recent project are uploaded. But remember this project are uploaded 3 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, 46, 32 minutes, 1 hour ago. So the people are uploading the job for you guys. So you have to select the one that you are more comfortable with. So for example, posters and players. So the guy gonna pay you 55 pounds, so $60. So if you open this page, it will tell them experience levels entry. I have started a water sports equipment hire. Paddle board, okay. Would like some posters and flyers designed with the information and the pricing. So you don't have to do anything. They have the information are here. So you need to just, this is the image they give you, okay, and this is the image they provided for you. Let's see what this is about. Okay, it's about water sports. Okay, so you need to sign in to get more information, but you need to design a flyers or posters for these guys. So you can go to Canva. There's a pre-made design and a template for you guys, so you can use those design to create this. The information already provided from the customer providing the job. So once you this is the logo for their business. So what you have to do is you need to create a poster for you guys. For example, this job poster 1 hour ago, and 27 others have already sent the proposal. So people are sending proposal like that. So you don't just hang around, because if we find the skill that you are more comfortable with, go and find it, because every single skill set has a job in this website. For example, voiceover artist recording, that job gonna pay you $95. So you can, if you have a good voice, you can record. Other than mine one is terrible, but if you have a good voice, you can make $95. Or you can have a software like a content summary. I already made videos, but I put the link in the bottom. Content summary is web application. It's gonna make a video from a text file, and also they add human voice. What you can do, you can just copy and text into the content summary and get the video, remove the video, send the audio file to them. You can do either way because you have to become creative enough to make money. But again, a presentation designer, $35 per hour. So something like that. So always there's a job for different skills, Photoshop, web design. You select the skill you want, and you can send the proposal. If the customer agree with the proposal, you get paid immediately. But remember this, you can allow to send 15 proposals. So select, if you are starting new, select the skill set you are more comfortable with. Once you have enough experience, you can send more proposal. So in order to send more proposal, you need to buy a credit from people per hour. So if you like my video, guys, just subscribe and like and press the bell icon. I already have an account signed in, everything. I need to complete my profile. Once I do, I will send three proposals today, and I will show you how is that work out, if there anything agreed, or if I get paid on my next or coming videos. So I will make at least one video every 2 days. If you like my videos, please guys subscribe, like and share.